is ladyfinger. I love it prepared this way. It's delicious and not greasy.
Yes, okra just needs to be steamed and then drizzled with that appetizing, rice-loving mushroom and preserved radish sauce. It's absolutely full marks for deliciousness. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: lady fingers, preserved radish, mushrooms, stems. Wash the okra, trim off the ends, and arrange them neatly on a steaming plate. Gently rub the okra surface with salt, then rinse with water to remove the fine spines. Okra usually needs only 3 to 5 minutes of steaming after the water boils. Overcooking will make it soft and mushy. After cleaning the shiitake mushroom stems, soak them in hot water until softened, then set aside. Squeeze dry the soaked shiitake stems, then chop them finely and set aside. The soaking water can be reserved for stir-frying to enhance flavor. The water used for soaking mushrooms is rich in umami and can enhance the flavor when added to stir-fried dishes. Note that there may be sediment at the bottom, so it's advisable to strain it before use. Retain this natural broth to make your dishes more delicious and healthy. Heat a pan without oil. First stir-fry the mushroom stems and preserved radish over low heat until fragrant. After drying and aromatizing, add cooking oil and continue to stir-fry. This method fully releases the ingredients' aroma while avoiding greasiness. After stir-frying until fragrant, add cooking oil, sugar, and oyster sauce to saute until aromatic. No need to add salt, as the preserved radish is already salty. Pour in the reserved mushroom soaking water and simmer until the liquid is reduced. If it becomes too dry, add a small amount of hot water and continue simmering. Drizzle the cooked mushroom sauce over the okra, and the fragrant mushroom sauce-covered okra is ready to serve. I believe everyone is familiar with this home-style dish. Personally, if you enjoy spicy flavors, you can add some chili peppers while stir-frying. Stir-frying preserved radish with mushroom stems creates a savory and rich flavor profile. The mushroom stems absorb the saltiness and umami of the radish, releasing a deep aroma. This dish is both hearty and appetizing, making it a perfect home-style combination. Okra is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. It's also high in vitamin C, helping to boost immunity. Additionally, okra contains calcium and vitamin K, supporting strong bones. With low calories and high nutrients, it's ideal for weight management. The mucilage in okra provides pectin, which further benefits intestinal health. Preserved radish is rich in dietary fiber to aid digestion, contains calcium for stronger bones, is low in calories ideal for weight management, retains original minerals like potassium from radishes, and produces probiotics through fermentation to support gut health. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I've been following a meat-free vegetarian diet for half a year, but recently, on my family's advice, I decided to switch to pescatarian fish-based eating. Over the past 2 weeks, I've reintroduced seafood like fish and shrimp, only to find I've developed an unexpected sensitivity. What used to taste neutral now seems overwhelmingly fishy. Maybe I should just listen to my body and go with the flow, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious: cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.